So over here in the report view, under the report design tab, you can see that table is an option. So if you want to show your data as a table, you can simply go around and click right here and a table will be inserted. And if you were to click on the table data, over here on the right hand side, you can bring in different data as you like. For example, you can go around enable deadline, you can enable deliverable finish right here, deliverable start right here, early start and so forth. So whatever data that you want, you can simply go around and choose the one you like. So you can go around and enable and disable all of the things over here, as you can see just like this from over here on the right hand side. You can go around onto work, enable the actual work and so forth. So you get this out right here. So you can go around and see that this is the outline level right here, and you can also go around and enable all of the subtasks over here, and you can see all of the subtasks and the details from over here as well. You can also go around and show out the hierarchy right here, which does not show a pleasing outlook for the table, but you can go around and work around with this. You can sort out the data right here by start and so forth according to how you want as well. And you can also go around and group out the data as by different parameters right here. Then let me just go around and click on no. And over here, let me just go around onto the left side and let's just go around and click on all subtasks right here. I'm not going to show the hierarchy. So this is what you have. So with the table, you can change around the design as well. So when the table is here, you can see that table design is an option, and you can enable and disable different options, as you can see right here. Like you can highlight the last column, highlight the first column and so forth. You can also have banded columns right here, just like this, and choose from different preset styles that you can choose from over here, as you can see. Just like this. You can go around onto shading and change the entire shading of the table as you like as well. So you can go around and choose, let's say, for example, horizon shading, or choose from one of these table styles right here. You can go around onto effects right over here as well and add in, let's say, for example, shadows over here as well, as how you like. You can go around onto reflection and add in a reflection effect to the table as well. You can also go around onto quick styles and choose a style that you like right here. Besides that, you can go around over here, choose out the text color for the table data as well. You can go around, choose the outline color over here, just like this as well. And you can also go around and choose glow and so forth, just like this, as per how you like. And that is how you can go ahead and then insert out tables and change up the formatting of the table as how you like inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.